Before the sewing machine, every stitch was slow. Every shirt, every coat, every dress was a battle against time. Hands cramped, eyes strained. And then, one invention didn't just change clothing, it stitched the world together. For thousands of years, needle and thread ruled. Shirts could take days, gowns weeks, uniforms months. Clothing was a treasure, expensive, scarce, and a luxury for most. By the early 19th century, factories powered by steam were transforming industries, but sewing lagged behind. Textile mills could produce fabric faster than ever, but it still took human hands to turn it into clothes. Inventors across Europe and America chased the dream. Wooden contraptions, crude gears, awkward needles. Machines jammed, thread tangled. Progress was slow, but the idea refused to die. In 1846, Elias Howe introduced a lock-stitch mechanism. Two threads, locked together with perfect tension. For the first time, a machine could match, even surpass, the skill of the human hand. Enter Isaac Singer, part inventor, part salesman, full visionary. He refined the design, added a treadle so both hands were free, and marketed the sewing machine not just as a tool, but as a dream for every household. The success sparked a brutal patent war. Singer and Howe clashed in court, but eventually, they joined forces, pooling patents in one of the world's first corporate licensing agreements. With sewing machines on factory floors, clothing production exploded. Shirts, dresses, uniforms, made in hours instead of weeks. Fashion became faster, cheaper, and more democratic. Wars demanded uniforms, tents, gear, and the sewing machine delivered. Armies were clothed faster than ever, and entire wartime supply chains relied on their speed. By the late 1800s, the sewing machine became a fixture of domestic life. It wasn't just a piece of furniture, it was a symbol of skill, thrift, and independence. From Paris runways to small-town tailors, sewing machines fueled the rise of global fashion. Styles changed faster, trends spread wider, and clothing became a canvas for creativity. Sewing machines stitched sails for ships, upholstery for carriages, and gear for explorers. Wherever fabric met function, the sewing machine was there. Today's machines are digital marvels, sewing in patterns, embroidering names, even quilting by computer command. But at their core, they follow the same lock-stitch Elias Howe perfected over 170 years ago. From humble hand stitches to industrial powerhouses, the sewing machine stitched more than fabric. It stitched economies, industries, and generations together, one loop of thread at a time.